welcome to Crafting with April. I'm so glad that you joined me today. We are going to start learning Design Space. Congratulations on getting your Cricut machine, and we are going to get you started with that. The first thing you want to do is go to design.cricut.com, and you're going to see a page similar to this. I am on a Mac, so mine is going to say Design Space for a Mac. Yours may say Design Space for a Windows. This series is for laptop users and computer users, and a series for mobile users will be done separately. I have already downloaded my Cricut Design Space, so I have an open or a download. You are going to download it and follow your on-screen prompts to install your Cricut Design Space for desktop. It's a desktop app. Once you get it installed and you followed all of that, you'll see a logo similar to this. Now, Cricut could change that logo or the color of it or something like that at any time, but you are going to see your logo, and that's going to open up your app. And once you open it, you'll need to create a Cricut ID. If you already have one, all you have to do is come down here and sign in. If you don't have one, you're going to need to fill in your name, your country, your email address, and create a password. And then you're going to create that Cricut ID. You're going to follow the on-screen prompts. If it has you verify, you're going to do that. It's been a long time since I created one, so it's not going to show me that information. Once you've done that, you can open up Cricut Design Space, and we're just going to sign in. And let's see, let me get my sign in. And you're going to see yours may look a little bit different. It just depends on where it opens up. You don't have any projects yet if you're brand new, so you won't see anything here in My Projects. But once you've done that, then you've got your account set up and we're ready to go to New Machine Setup. So let's go into the next video and talk about that.